Hello Rajat, I want to show you how to send money USD to BDT. Okay, at first you need to log in the wise.com. Let's try. I have a wise account, a personal wise account. I just log in my wise account. Then I have got a code for verification. Okay, 9789455. Okay, then done. Log in my wise account or wise website, then I will select or click the send money. After the international payment, I will send USD, US dollar, US dollar to Bangladeshi taka or BDT. Okay, and you will send me the $50. Okay, put the 50, then continue. Okay, then the someone else select. Then there is have a two option, the local bank account and the bcash account. Okay, you can choose the bcash account. Okay, bcash account, and the name Almasum, and full number, the bcash number 880175341408 that's it. Nothing to need anything. And also you can add my email number. Okay, country Bangladesh, Chittagong, Akhara. Okay, that's it. Country Bangladesh and city Chittagong, address Akhara, Brahmanbaria. The postal code is 3464. Then continue. Okay, date of birth 0 on February 1999. Okay, then confirm. For the verification. Okay, maximum the 35 minutes. Reference and accept and confirm and continue. Okay, then you can continue the payment. The pairs your card number and others information and pay $50. That's it. I think you are understand how to send money by using TransferWise. Thank you.